So, okay, so the reason I'm doing this video is I wanna flexi the thing that I received from one of a employer. She's gorgeous, kind-hearted, is nice, right? So she says that she went to Taiwan and she bought this kind of thing, and she says, I want to share it to you because I have a lot. So, oh my God, I'm grateful. So she said once that she's show it to me, I just take it right away, right? Just take it right away, no hesitation. Okay, dyan tayo magaling. Kung kwarta lang sana, ito ba? Look at this. So many. This is one box and another box and also another box. And it's so heavy. And also I have this is in a box but I open. It's because I'm quite curious if how many pieces inside. This is a facial mask, right? So this one is a revitalizing essence, and the reason is I don't know. The thing is I don't know which one do I have to apply it first, because usually, okay, I won't deny it. Usually what I'm doing is I just wash my face in the morning and just apply moisturizer. Okay, I won't deny this is the thing that I'm using. I want to show it to you. I'm using a facial soap, of course, and this one, Olay 7-in-1. So it's only 2, but if I have to go out, I need to use SPF, like sun protection, sunscreen, or I should say. Okay, so this is a 7-in-1. It's Olay. I'm not endorsing this product, right? But I'm just want to show you what I'm using. Okay, so back tayo dito. This is Dea. This is like toner. So it's quite heavy. Toner and serum, and also the facial mask. Okay, so after is that, I want to ask you this. I want to know if it's after washing the face, apply a mask, right? And I don't know which one is the second thing that you have to apply it, or is it the serum or the moist or the toner, right? It's because this one is like in 7-in-1, so I don't need to put so many layers, right? Just apply moisturizer and it's done. Okay, but the thing is, she gave this to me, and of course I want to treasure it. It's because, you know, we have to treasure the gift that we receive from someone, okay, right? So this one is a kahit sasabihin nyo pa dyan, naka-arte-arte naman ng girl na to. Okay, moment ko na to, huwag nyo nang jijirain. I wanna flexi. Okay, so nagkaroon ako ng modi na mag-flexi. So hayaan nyo na ako. This is my moment. But sabi ko, oh my gosh, this kind of product is quite expensive. Oh my gosh, kung kwarta na lang sana to. Oh, di ba? Okay, so this is a revitalizing essence, and I'm quite curious because this one is heavy. So let's open and see what is inside. Okay, I want to do this to you guys. And ta-da! Oh my God, it's gold! See? Look. It's quite heavy. It's 120 ml. See? So marami siya. Malaki. This is a toner, so I have to figure it out later. I have to use translation because it's written in Chinese. So I have to use translator to see which one is the first thing that I have to use, okay? Because it's from Taiwan, and you know, see, kaarte ng box. I quite like the box. Can you see this? Oh my gosh. And it's 3 items inside. It's I love you inside, right? It's because, you see, okay, let's try to take out one and see how it look like. It's because this one is have to open. Okay, so we have to open one. Okay, so I already opened one because I'm curious how it's look like. And there's a so tiny guy inside. It's only 5 ml. Okay, so, and then, oh, diba? Pwede pa itong magamit. Paglagyan ng, alam nyo na, paglagyan na natin ng mga hikaw, ganyan. Oh, ganon. And then this is a Origin Revitalizing Essence. Kailangan ko na bang mag-glass? Okay, so, ibalik na natin dito. Okay, so anyway, I'm so grateful. So, which one is, do I have to put it first? Okay, so ngayon lang ako nakareceive ng ganito na kind of product, and I know the price, this is quite pricey. So, I want to treasure, I want to make this memorable. So, kahit sabihin nyo na, kasyo arte-arte and whatever, you do what you say, whatever you want to say, as long as I did it. As long as na-flexi ko siya. And anyway, thank you so much, Cha. Shout out to Charlene for this nail polish. I did this yesterday. So, she gave to me 3 different kind of nail polish. And it's I like the color. Can you see? But this is for now. Most of the time, I'm doing nail polish but sa aking paa. Diba? Kasi pag I'm pag nagluluto ako, I don't wanna like mess around with my nails. So, mahahaba na yung aking nails. I have to check it out this later. So, we're not focusing on my nails. So, balik tayo sa skin product na to. Okay? So, yan lang yun na aking na flexi. Okay, thank you.